What is up, guys? So basically, this is my trade recap for today. It is Wednesday, October 9th. So this is basically my trade recap. To give you some bias, PA was pretty shit. We have CPI, I'm pretty sure, tomorrow. So some big high impact news tomorrow. So price, as you can see, was kind of choppy. But although it's kind of choppy, I was trying to find a trade because this entire week I haven't been able to trade, or there was no setups given to me. So I looked for today, and luckily I found a trade, and it was a winning one. So let me just show you quickly how I came to find this. So first off, we tapped in here. This like low right here, like this swing low, curated a 1 hour, or this was the 1 hour sell side liquidity right here. And so you could see that we tap in, and this was what I was saying is that right here would have been a nice entry, to be honest, and like waiting for like this fair value gap right here. This would have been a nice entry, and there's also daily highs up here and like an hourly inbound, or like a 4 hour BPR up here. So I was very bullish coming into the day. And after price came and swept this, I was like, all right, very bullish. I want to see if I can find it up. And right here was nice, but we didn't get a 5 minute retrace. Like it was kind of just like boom, 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 right back up. But the main thing was this is important too, because we failed to get these highs, and these highs were actually 1 hour buy side. So this was my target, and then I don't think. Wait one sec. Yes. So these aren't equal highs. These aren't equal highs. If they were, then that would be even like more confluence to, I guess, want to see. Why did it do that? Wait, give me a sec. If these were equal highs, then of course that'd be like more confluence, but it's very, very close. Still like very close highs like that, and like this too. So this is what happened basically. So I see this high, and this high, very, very strong buy side, and it's all stacked up on each other. So I'm very bullish. We swept out 1 hour, and then, so I'm like, okay, price action is kind of weird. Let me wait. What we get, which really hooked me up, is we find this, and I love my BPRs. If you know how I trade, I love BPRs. And right here you can see that this is just, there's a fair value gap here that gets inversed, and then a fair value gap that also gets inversed. So this is a BPR, but then it's like a triple BPR, and you can see price like comes up, sweeps back down, taps it, taps, comes back, taps, final one, retraces into it, and then pushes out. And so you can see that this BPR is very strong, and this is realistically why I wasn't taking a trade, because I thought price could have easily came here, just like reversed all these traders, and now like stomp them out, and then there's sell side down here as well. There's also a daily sell side down there. So I thought, okay, maybe we go down. So I'm just going to sit on my hands. I'm not going to touch and do anything. I'm just going to wait. And then, so we're waiting for price action. And then we see this. This is what formed. And then this is what really caused me to be like, okay, I think there might be a trade here that I could feel like pretty like confident in. And that was a bullish SMT. We can see here that on the 15-minute, we got a 15-minute SMT. This curated the SMT like, so there's a high here, and we didn't sweep out this liquidity, right? So this is what an SMT is, and you can see here we swept the sell side, and so that's why. And then like quickly, where did it go? No, where did it go? Okay, yeah, here. see here, you can see that we didn't form it until like this this candle like right here. So at 9 is when we're really trying, like after 9, or after this candle is formed up and we make this SMT, because we like close down and then up, then like, so at 9 is when I'm like looking to start buying, right? And that's exactly what I do. Let me find this again. Like, price action was shit, and that's why I'll also say I de-risked. I risked. Okay, so I'm trading on my Top Step account, and then I'm also trading on a one of one funded account, and they're both 100,000, but I'm risking a little bit more on the one of one account for like reasons, and so I'm doing that, and so I made about 800 on the one of one, and then 400 on the Top Step. So we look here. This is now, I'll show you how I entered. So we have these like very prominent highs. We form this SMT. We can see here is where that candle closed, right? And so anything after this, I'm looking for sell, or I'm looking for buys. And so now we see this. If we just like try to look a little bit closer into the shits, we get, I think it was, where was it? Oh, here it is. Okay. And this is where I could have done a little bit better. And maybe, I'm sure a lot of people caught this trade, but basically this is what I could have done. And I guess it's okay that I didn't, because this SMT was the main driving factor of me like wanting to see higher, was this SMT. If the SMT wasn't formed, I probably wouldn't have taken a trade today. But this is what you could have seen. This is kind of just like my strategies. Like, we form, boom, boom. Or I guess that wouldn't even be the market maker. Wow. But okay, I guess we pull back into this equilibrium, right? And then this is what I was trying to show, is that we get a we get a bullish order block here, right? We get a bullish order block because we have an up, like a high, a low. A high, a low, a higher high, or a high, a low. Fuck, I guess this isn't one. I thought it was at the time. I don't know, but there's also, the reason I was gonna say that is because there'd be like a unicorn entry here, because there's a fair value gap within the thing, but I guess it's not. Let's see. This is low to a high. Oh, I guess it is. Okay. I'm not tripping. So it's this low to a high, yeah. God, I thought it was fucking retarded for a second. Okay, so we have this bullish order block. We come down, tap into this. This right here, probably, if I were to, like, in hindsight, redo this, because I wasn't even looking for an entry here. I guess I could have, because this was the candle. Wow. This was the candle after formed the SMT. I really should have entered here. Stops probably like down here. Not risk that much, depending. The stops would be on like risk management, and then down up here. So this would have been my trade. But really what I found was I was looking for like a lot of movement. And so I saw that we pushed up. I didn't see this fair value gap, but I did see the this BPR. We came up. I was like, all right, we formed this SMT. We get a nice little break of structure. We're moving up. And then I see this wick right here. This crazy wick. I was like, all right, I don't think we would have gone this wick if we wanted to go like lower, or if there wasn't a lot of buying pressure. So I basically entered like here. Stops were below this low, and then yeah, Caught a nice trade. There was buy side, daily buy side up here. I mean, I literally could have caught the entire move, but I mean, I was confident in it going here, not it going up here, because PA was shit. And so that's why I took just there. And I'm honestly, in trading, that's probably going to happen, that you take out early when you could have just kept on going or whatever to the moon. But I'm okay with what I took. And yeah, so that was pretty much the trade recap. Liquidity sweep, SMT, perfect. If you kind of a buy and sell model here, if you want to look at it like that. But so yeah, that was pretty much it. Stay tuned. Let's go.